In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to an eBay listing. Clear, well-ordered photos can make a huge difference in how quickly an item sells. So I'll walk you through adding images when you're creating a brand new listing, and when you're updating one, you've already started. I'll also point out a few tips to keep everything looking sharp and professional. If you're creating a new listing, start by heading to the Sell section and opening the Create Listing page in Seller Hub. You may also see a List an Item option, which works the same way. Once you're in the listing form, look for the Photos and Video area and click Add Photos. From here, you can drag and drop images straight from your computer or click to browse and select them. You can upload several at once, which is a time saver if you've already organized your product shots. After your images upload, arrange them so the best one is first. That first image becomes your main gallery photo, the one buyers see in search results. So choose the clearest, most eye-catching shot. Some listing forms also provide simple editing tools, like crop or rotate. Use them to straighten a tilted image or trim out a distracting edge so your item stays centered and clean. eBay allows up to 24 photos for most categories, and you must include at least one. A good rule of thumb is to include enough angles to answer common buyer questions: front, back, sides, and any tags or serial numbers, plus close-ups of any flaws. If you want to add photos to an existing listing, go to Seller Hub and Open Listings, then choose Active or Drafts. You can also access this through My eBay under All Selling. Find the listing you want to update and click Edit. In the Photos and Video section, click Add Photos again to upload additional images. Rearrange them to keep your best photo first and remove anything that's redundant or low quality. When you're happy with the order and the cover image, save or revise the listing to publish your changes. One important note: if your listing is an auction with active bids, eBay may restrict photo changes to protect bidders. If you're blocked from updating the images, you'll need to consider ending the listing early or creating a new one with the correct photos from the start. That's it. Keep your lighting consistent, avoid cluttered backgrounds, and make sure your first photo tells the item's story at a glance. Add, reorder, and refine as needed, and then save your work. Your listing will look more trustworthy, and buyers will have the confidence to click and purchase.